to another episode of Central Oregon Shenanigans. We got engine pulling shenanigans. So this engine's coming out, guys. Kyle's going to get busy on the bumper, the grill, the lights, core sport radiator, and then that engine's coming out, and this new engine is going in. Here she is, guys. We didn't film it the other night when we picked it up, but here's the 4-liter with 130,000 miles on it. Nice and clean block for the 99 Cherokee project. So guys, we got a low mileage 4-liter inline 6 going in here with 130,000 miles on it. Looks pretty fucking decent. We'll catch you in a little bit when we get some of this shit off of here. And I am working on body. Look at this. Look at this. A lot better. Got this. This is coming up next. I'm gonna try to get this out tonight and start working on this. We broke the window. So guys, we got the rubber out there. Woo! That's beautiful. So apparently window guys know how to do body work now, and that's what they do. They just glob a bunch of their silicone window paste in there and call it good. No, we're gonna do this the right way. All right, so Kyle's taking the battery off, and piece of shit. I am getting ready to use the welder, and this is not the nice one. This is the Lincoln. This is Lincoln. Chicago Electric. Yeah. So guys, windows out. I got this metal. This metal is ready to be welded onto, and I'm gonna try to weld in some bolts here and pull this out a little bit, and then we're gonna try to make this look pretty again, just like I made the door pretty. We're getting there, huh?
Yeah, I'm overjoyed.
Yeah. And while he's doing that, still over here doing some body work. Just got done with those bolts. Welded some bolts on this, pulled it back, and this looks a lot better right here. So, a lot of work to do on the body, but
all the way around.
yeah. Doing good though, we're doing good. Well guys, for tonight, I know we didn't show much of working tonight. Tomorrow night, we're gonna have some more working on shit videos, but basically we're still right there here, but body wise, put another layup on the back right there, and things are going very, very well. Looking good. Shop is warm. All right, guys, we're back for day 3-ish. Not doing any body work today. We're gonna be doing just pulling the engine and swapping in the new engine. Kyle's down there getting that transmission bolt out, and I was down there. What's that?
I said, I'll get them out. You're going to have to find me a fucking 16
Okay.
socket, because our kid only goes 15 to 17.
All right, it's getting a little bit crazy here. We got the Jeep pushed back. Got squeaks backed up. Looks like Kyle's about ready to drop that tailgate on the 95 chopper truck, aka Squeakers.
I do believe that the fucking plugs have been down on the backside of this motor.
All right, getting the cherry picker ready. Garage door's open, Jeep's backed out. Don't you just love that? Really?
You need a block?
This piece of fucking shit is thrown the fuck away.
You need a blocker?
I don't know. I think so. I'm not putting a bunch of weight on it. Not even all blocked. It's topped out. It won't even fucking go all the way. God damn it. What a pile of shit. Shouldn't we be something like that?
There, more off though.
It was hard because that side had all the condenser block in it.
Oh, starter.
Oh yeah, that nut right there.
Yep.
Looks like a 14. We gonna buy another set of wires?
You might have to.
Pissing me off. What's this?
What the fuck? There's your fucking culprit. Jesus Christ, Jeep.
10?
10? Half.
Huh?
Half.
Half?
Hold on.
Something still. Got a wiring harness here. Got the distributor. Distributor in this plug.
What?
Yeah, we got. It's gonna.
Fuck.
Got that one unplugged. Okay, that one goes to the distributor. And this one.
Fuck, I thought I could trace those back and got them all pulled out of there.
It's got one of those plastic pins that slide out and pull the plug off. How does that work?
What? Like the fan?
Yeah, I think so. It's got a newer cap on it.
Yeah. Well, yeah, the mechanic probably tuned the fucking thing up for him. Oh, yeah, it's got to be a problem. Ouch. We still hung up on something?
Oh, you know, fuel line broke it.
What?
Fuck, why? Why is the fuel line so stupid in this?
Everything else should be...
Yeah, okay. I'll stabilize it, you back it. Up. Upsy daisy. Honestly, this wasn't a bad pull.
Motor's been out before.
It has?
Yep.
How do you know?
Look at the exhaust pipe. Our exhaust pipe was bent when we started doing this.
That doesn't mean it's been out before.
Where it's been at?
Yeah. We got this swing it. This actually worked pretty good in here. Not bad.
Wouldn't want to do a full size.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I snapped that fucker right off of there.
Okay, so I want to stop right here, get this flywheel off. This is a different flywheel. I've never seen one like this before. It's got this fancy ring on it. It's because this is the tack. This is a tack wheel. There's a sensor on the transmission.
It's not the tack wheel.
What is it?
You want it really? Tell me what you think that is.
RPM, tack wheel.
No.
Hmm.
It's the fucking crank position sensor is attached to the fucking...
Same deal. You'll get your RPMs off of it.
You gotta have it in order to fire it.
Yeah.
I do know that. Oh yeah, snap that motherfucker out.
Or wait. These should be torqued. I forgot about that.
Yeah.
I do have.
They have to be torqued.
I have a torque wrench. It's just Go. It wasn't here. Did I throw it away?
I don't know.
So we need to call it a night then. And put that motor back in
Squish
squeaks.
it back in squeaks.
Put that in and then call it a night because.
Yep, we're at a standstill without a fucking torque wrench.
They're actually not. They're long, but they're not. Oh, there you go. Nope.
Yep.
Thanks, Chrysler. Dirty cocksuckers.
Yeah.
Everything's Loctited in.
Can't catch a fucking break. Get it?
See why I thought that filter was gonna work? Because they used them on these.
Yeah.
That's
Well.
why I was like, oh yeah, they used those on the newer ones. It should work. Oh, it went on there. Oh, yep. And then oil pressure didn't come up, and well, it did
For a minute.
for a little bit, for quite a bit. Did he leave us the dowels? Yep.
Yeah, the dowels are still in there.
People do weird things, and it's like, why? It's like, why did you just leave it the fuck on the block? You should have left it fully dressed, in my opinion. What was the point in undressing it all? If you're limited time, wanting to get out of the country or out of the state. Cylinders have some pretty, like, hot scars.
Gnarly fucking gashes in them.
Yeah, from the hot scarring. Somebody else, if one of these 4 liters ran dry, they would seize. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. It just kaput. The only reason I know this is 2 of my technicians out there on the bay at Oak and Henry's are like, well, ready drain, and then put the oil system cleaner, and ran it on 1 quart of oil system cleaner, which is really bad because it's a detergent. Yeah, it seized within 15 minutes on the bay. I don't. Actually, it seized in 9 minutes and some odd seconds. You're supposed to run the cleaner for 15. Son of a bitch!
Got it!
That is nice. So we don't have to worry about lining studs up in the torque converter. Literally, we just slam it in there, and then you've got to spin it, and I've got to fish.
You gotta hold one in until it grabs.
Yeah. Well, guys, and if you enjoyed this episode of Central Oregon Shenanigans, go ahead and subscribe. Comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Stay tuned for part 2 of Jeep engine swap.
The reinstall.
The reinstall. So
We'll catch you next time.